Mistakes and broken faith. I wish that I could make it go away.